Hello students, welcome back to our maths class. Today we will continue further with chapter number 7. We have to learn now the new concept about addition and subtraction of fractions. Now children, first thing, how to add the fractions. But before adding the fractions, we have to go with the two different patterns to be followed here, that when the fractions are like fractions and when the fractions are unlike. In both you have to use the different method to solve the fractions. Okay. So, the first, while adding the like fractions, the denominator is same. So, we can add them easily, okay, because they are like fractions, that means the denominators will be same. So, directly we can add the numerators and get our answer. For example, you can see here 1 upon 4 plus 2 upon 4. You can see both the denominators are same, that is 4. So, directly children we can operate the numerators, that is 1 plus 2, that is 3 by 4 will be our answer. Now, same thing, that how to subtract the like fraction. As I told you children here, like fraction, that means the denominators are same. So, you do not need to go any process further, just simplify the numerators given here because the denominators are already same. So, here for example, you can see 2 by 4 from 3 by 4. So, we have to subtract only 3 minus 2 by 4, that means 3 minus 2 by 4, you will get your answer as 1 by 4. So, when the denominators are same, just simplify and operate your numerators. Okay. Let us see what we have next here. Now, how to add unlike fractions. Now, children, whenever you have unlike fraction, that means the denominators are different, what you need to do? You need to make the denominators equal, that means we have to take the LCM. Only after taking the LCM of the denominators, you convert them to the equivalent denominators, that means you have to convert the equivalent fractions, then only you can add or subtract the given fraction. So, what will be the process when you have unlike fraction? Take the LCM, change to equivalent fraction and simplify the fractions. For example, you can see here 4 by 5 and 3 by 8, you can see 5 and 8, two numbers here, the denominators are different here. So, what I will take? I will take the LCM of 5 and 8, that is 40. Now, changing the denominators with 40 and afterwards you can see that we have simplified as we do usually. Okay. Now, same thing applying to while subtracting unlike fraction also children, as the denominators are different, take the LCM, change to equivalent fraction and simplify the numerator, that means subtract the numerators and get your answer. Now, let us apply that concept in our next exercise here. Here we have children, first one, 1 upon 18 plus 1 upon 18. Children, here you can see that the denominators are same here, that is 18 and 18. That means we do not need to take any LCM. You have to add directly the numerators, that is 1 plus 1, you get 2 by 18. 2 by 18, still children you can reduce it and change to simplest form, that is 1 upon 9, that is our answer here. Similarly, next one we have 8 by 15 plus 3 by 15. Here too the denominators are same. Simplify the numerator, that means operate the numerators, that is 8 plus 3, you get 11 and as usually the denominator remains the same, that is 15. So, your answer will be 11 by 15. Now, let us see what we have here next. 7 upon 7 minus 5 by 7. These are like fraction children. So, we have to just simplify the numerators, that is 7 minus 5, you get your answer as 2 by 7. One more with the like fraction here, 1 upon 22 plus 21 upon 22. The denominators are same, it is a like fraction children. So, add the numerators 1 plus 21, you get 22 by 22. When you simply put it in the reduced form or simplify it still further, you will get your answer as 1. Okay, so this way the questions related to like fractions. Now let us go for unlike fraction, children. Here you have 1 minus 2 by 3. Children, here 1, here you do not have any number in the denominator. So here if you want, you take it as 1 upon 1, the value of it will not change. So 1 upon 1 minus 2 by 3. Now 1 and 3, they are unlike fraction here. You have to take the LCM. If I take the LCM of 1 and 3, I will get its LCM as 3. Now change into equivalent fraction here with the denominator 3. So 1 upon 1 into 3 by 3, you will get 3 upon 3 minus 2 by 3. 2 by 3, already the denominator is 3, children. I do not need to change further. So only I will multiply 1 upon 1. So I get 2 by 3. So 3 by 3 minus 2 by 3, I will get my answer here as 1 by 3. Similarly, one more question, children, here. 3 minus 12 by 5. Here 3 does not have any denominator. I will take it as 1. Now these are unlike fractions. So I need to take the LCM. So if I take the LCM, it will be 5 over here. Okay. So now changing the denominators here with 5. So 3 upon 1. To change, only focus on the denominator, children. You do not have to change the numerator. The denominator has to be changed according to the answer that you got for LCM here. So what you multiply with 1 to get 5? Yes, 5 by 5. So what you will get? 15 by 5. As you can see, here I got 15 by 5. Similarly, 12 by 5. I do not need to change the denominator to 5 because already the denominator is 5 only. So what you get finally? 15 by 5 minus 12 by 5. If I subtract the numerators, I am going to get 3 by 5 as the answer here. Okay. So let us see what we have next here. Now we have word problems to solve here, children. Here you can see Shubham painted 2/3 of the wall space in his room. His sister Madhvi helped and painted 1/3 of the wall space. How much did they paint together? They painted together, that we have to answer here, miss, both together. What is the work done by both of them together? So you can see here wall space painted by Shubham in a room, that is 2 by 3, and by Madhvi is 1 by 3. Now as it is asked what is their work together, we will add, that is 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. As the denominators are same, children, we will only operate the numerators by adding them, that we will get 3 by 3, which is equal to 1 here. That means what did they do? Shubham and Madhvi together painted one complete wall. So together what they did, children? They painted complete wall over here. Now fill in the missing fractions. So now we have to find the missing fraction here. You can see, children, here the question given to us is 7 by 10 subtracted by what fraction will come here, so that the result will be 3 by 10. So what number I will subtract from 7 to get 3, children? Yes, if I subtract 7 minus 3, what I am going to just do one thing, subtract this 2, 7 minus 3, what you will get? 4 by 10. Okay, and still if you want, you can reduce it with the help of 2, 2 2s and 2 5s. So simply what you get your answer as 2 by 5 is the missing fraction over here. Similarly, one more to answer here, you can see here that what fraction you will subtract with 3 by 21 so that you get your result as 5 by 21. So here, children, do one thing here. What number of fraction I will add to get here 5. So obviously if it is subtraction, then the fraction that is going to come here, it will be bigger than the result, right. So you can see that if I subtract 8 by 21, if I take 8 minus 3, you get 5, right, and obviously we know that denominator we have to keep it same only, right. So if I take 8 by 21 minus 3 by 21. The result I am going to get here is 5 by 21. So, let us go for the next one. Now, one more word problem we have here. Javed was given 5/7 of a basket of oranges. What fraction of oranges was left in the basket? Now, one full basket of oranges is there, children. Always one full quantity we take it as 1. Okay. After that full basket, Javed took away, means he was given 5/7 of the oranges from that one whole basket. Okay. So, let us see how we will do it here. 5 by 7 means are the oranges given to Javed, and as I told you that the oranges are taken out, means it is getting reduced. So, we will subtract that fraction from one whole, that is 1 minus 5 by 7. Now, as there is no denominator here, I will take here as 1, and now taking LCM, we will get our LCM as what? We will get LCM as 7 only. Now, converting the denominators with 7 here, what I multiply with 1? 1 upon 1 into 7 by 7, I will get 7 upon 7, and as you can see, 5 by 7, 7 is already there in the denominator, I do not need to change anything. So, 7 minus 7 minus 5 by 7 if I do, children, I will get my answer as 2 by 7. So, how many oranges are left in the basket, children? 2 by 7. Okay, you can see here next. Okay, so with this, children, we end our this session. Hope you understood this part. Study well, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.